The New Zealand Ministry of Defence unveiled its Defence Capability Plan, revealing a significant upgrade to the Royal New Zealand Navy's RNZN aviation capabilities. The plan outlines the replacement of the aging SH-2G Super Seasprite helicopters, currently in service with No. 6 Squadron RNZAF. These helicopters, which were procured second-hand and are nearing the end of their operational lifespan, are crucial for a variety of maritime operations. With a projected cost of over $2 billion New Zealand dollars, around $1.14 billion US dollars, the replacement initiative may include both crewed helicopters and uncrewed aerial systems, alongside infrastructure improvements to enhance the capabilities of the New Zealand Defence Force, NZDF. The SH-2G helicopters have been integral to the RNZN's maritime operations since their introduction. They enhance naval surveillance, combat readiness, and support non-combat roles like humanitarian aid and disaster relief efforts. These versatile helicopters are equipped to operate from various RNZN ships, including Anzac-class frigates, offshore patrol vessels, and multi-role ships. They are responsible for crucial tasks such as anti-submarine warfare, surveillance, search and rescue, utility operations, and even training. The SH-2G variant, which joined New Zealand's fleet between 2014 and 2016, was acquired as part of a $242 million New Zealand dollar deal after the cancellation of Australia's SH-2G program. This acquisition was intended to replace earlier SH-2G models, which had been in service since 2001. Built by Common Aerospace, the SH-2G is powered by dual General Electric T700 engines, enabling a maximum range of 275 nautical miles and an endurance of approximately 2 hours and 45 minutes. The aircraft can reach speeds close to 130 knots and are armed with various systems, including Penguin anti-ship missiles and Mk-46 torpedoes. The SH-2G series originated in the United States in the 1980s as a smaller alternative to larger naval helicopters like the SH-60B Seahawk. Over time, it was upgraded with advanced avionics, improved engine power, and new tactical systems. Despite being phased out by the U.S. military in 2001, the SH-2G continued to serve in other countries, such as Egypt, Poland, and Peru. No. 6 Squadron RNZAF has operated New Zealand's naval aviation since 2005, supporting a wide range of operations from surface warfare to logistics and search and rescue missions. The squadron's role includes the training and maintenance of aircrews as well as ensuring that the fleet is ready for deployment aboard various RNZN ships. The Ministry of Defence has confirmed the need for a new maritime helicopter fleet after assessing the ongoing challenges with the SH-2G fleet. Following a strategic review, the NZDF has been scaling down its fleet from 8 to 5 aircraft, with plans for full retirement in the near future due to broader defence budget constraints. This replacement program represents a forward-looking effort to maintain a robust maritime aviation capability for New Zealand, ensuring both crewed and uncrewed systems will be integrated into the force structure for future missions. The move comes as part of New Zealand's broader defence strategy to maintain a versatile and modern naval force. The new fleet will provide essential operational flexibility and expand the NZDF's ability to respond to diverse challenges in the Pacific and beyond. The shift toward integrating uncrewed aerial systems reflects global trends in military aviation, offering potential for enhanced efficiency and capability in maritime operations.